Hey everybody, this is Dr. Sapneil from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. Today from my desk we're going to talk about two things. One is making sure that you have a professional social media page, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. On the back end, college counselors and different college admission professionals are definitely browsing the internet, browsing social media on their current applicants to make sure that there's nothing provocative, there's nothing unprofessional. So make sure you're very careful with that and what you post on there, specifically if you're applying in your 11th, 12th grade year, if you're a transfer student. You want to make sure that you're coming out across as professional as possible, nothing that's going to cause any type of risk to the university. That's really important. And then the second part is a lot of students are also using video submission in their interview process or attaching a video of themselves. This has been really, really important for many schools. It's a way for students to interview in a sense and necessarily provide an option for universities to know a little bit more about them. So some of the universities that have started accepting this are Brown, WashU, Bowdoin, University of Chicago. Babson invites them in their secondary application to submit a video interview as well. The effect has been that submitting videos to colleges help the college to know more about that student. The recommendation is that students should take advantage of this. Video introductions share their personality, provide a story that's sometimes not found within the application, so it can only be positive. But ultimately, the first part of this video is what I talked about is making sure that you try to stick along the sides of professionalism in your social media pages, especially if they're browsing that and they're trying to find out information that can be harmful for their university down the road. So just stay on the conservative side if you can for certain things. When you're applying to colleges, I recommend it. You don't want to kind of put on red flags when you're applying to some of these colleges. So overall, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We hope to help you achieve your academic goals, and thank you for your time.